How to run HTML code in your VS Code in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily run your HTML code in Windows 11 using the Visual Studio's code. So the first thing that we need to do is open up our Visual Studio's code. So let me quickly open the Visual Studio's code. So now once your Visual Studio's code opens up, as you can see that I have not created any particular HTML file right now. So I will walk you through each and every steps of creating a new file and then running the same file in Visual Studio's code with the help of extensions. So the first thing that we will need to do is create a new file. So to start a new file, you can create onto this new file button, and once you've clicked onto this new file button, it will ask you for the file type. So since I am currently creating an HTML file, so I'm gonna search for HTML, and here you can see this prompt that says create new file HTML, which is a built-in feature of the Visual Studio's code. So simply click onto this option and then it will ask you to name the file. So let me name it the same as HTML, and then the next thing that you need to do is click onto this create file button. So once you have done this, you can see that this is the HTML file that we have, and now let's add some content into this file. So let me quickly add a piece of HTML code and then we will proceed on how we can run this particular code. So as here you can see that I have added some piece of simple HTML code into this particular program. So now we will attempt to run it. So before attempting to run this particular program, the first thing that you need to do is simply move to this extensions tab on the left, or alternatively you can choose to press the Control Shift and X key combinations. So once you click onto this extensions tab, you need to search for this specific extension called open in browser. So this particular extensions, all of these will work fine. So what these extensions do is that they will open your HTML code directly into the browser. Since HTML is not a programming language, instead it is a markup language, so they require a browser to display your web page that you have coded in HTML. So you can install any of the extensions from here, but I am going with this first extension with around 11.8 million downloads. So simply click onto this install button and then you will need to click onto this trust publisher and install button right here, and then just wait for the installation. And once you see these two buttons enabled that says the disable and then install, that means the open in browser or any extension has been successfully installed. So let us go back to our code. So after installing the particular extension, as here you can see, this is our code. So the next thing that you need to do is simply right click onto the code and you will see this option that says open in default browser and open in other browsers. So you can either choose to open this code in the default browser that you have currently set in your Windows 11, or you also have the option to open this particular code into any other web browsers of your choice. So you may also choose to press the Shift Alt and B key combinations. So simply click onto this second option for now, and then from here you have the list of all the supported web browsers on which you can open this particular file. So I will be going with the first option, that is the Google Chrome. So if I click onto the Google Chrome, you can see that it has launched my Google Chrome, and here is the display output of my HTML code. So if I go back, as you can see that this is exactly the display that I want for my HTML code in Visual Studio's Code Windows 11. So that's it for this video. If this video was any helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.